Hey everyone, if Excalidraw Sync is not working, your drawings aren't updating across devices, changes aren't appearing, or synchronization keeps failing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Excalidraw Sync problems in 2026. First, check your internet connection on all devices. Synchronization relies on a stable connection to upload and download changes successfully. You should also verify that your cloud storage service is functioning correctly. If you're using services such as Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, or iCloud, confirm that synchronization is active and completed successfully. Another helpful step is checking for sync conflicts. If the same drawing was edited on multiple devices simultaneously, synchronization may pause until conflicts are resolved. Make sure you're using the latest version of Excalidraw and the latest version of your browser. Updates often include bug fixes and sync-related improvements. If changes aren't appearing on another device, wait a few moments and manually refresh both devices. Larger drawings may require additional time to synchronize. And that's how to fix Excalidraw Sync not working problems in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, updating your software, verifying cloud sync settings, and resolving sync conflicts will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.